Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Anything that moves, welcome back. All right. So what are we going to talk about today? Bitcoin. What else is there to talk about? Okay. Isn't it the biggest thing? Isn't it the best thing? So we have to talk about it. So I just want to hit this little confetti in the air there because we're celebrating how far it's moved in the last couple of days. I don't know. How's your account doing? I hope you're holding Bitcoin already. I'm hoping that you're not new and you don't have some. If you don't, where were you? Come on, you have to get with it, okay? It's time. And for everybody who's already holding, this is a good time, right? This is a good time to be alive. So I just want to go over a couple of things. So we're celebrating this big move here in the chart. Okay, so we see back here in December, we were around here, okay, in the 40s. Okay, then we came up. So this last week here, March, look at this move, okay? So let me just, okay, so back to the measuring. Okay, so here at the end of February, we had this huge run up here. So, I mean, look at this percentage move that we did over here in a short amount of time. Bitcoin was on fire. It was like, okay, hold my beer, I'm moving up. So we had a nice little run up. Okay, great. Bitcoin has made over a $10,000 move, okay? It feels like a minute, okay? That's how fast it moved. We're celebrating that. The Bitcoin market cap is over $1 trillion now. So that's awesome. Okay, so it's the 10th largest asset now, okay, Bitcoin. And why is that important? Well, you know, when they're saying the Bitcoin ETF inflows hit, look at this, 562 million. Okay, the inflows as the price eyes the new all-time highs. So a lot of things are happening right there. So it's exciting time for us right here, okay? And so then also, Satoshi, wherever he or she is at, okay, within 2 months, his holdings went over 9 billion, okay, increased, okay? I don't even know exactly what it is right now. I mean, because look, Bitcoin is still moving, right? So, but his holdings, just in that short amount of time, the little increase, 9 billion. So that's great. Okay. And all this is happening before the halving. The halving has not even happened yet. Okay. If you don't know what the halving is, we're not getting into it in this video, but that's an important date. Okay. And that another reason why we're running up, we're going to run up before the halving. That's what it always does that. That's what Bitcoin does. Okay. And then as we have legendary trader Peter over here saying how Bitcoin will be the top of the food chain. Oh, yes, I know that already. I know that. Okay. And predicts. Okay. So this is before this article was made before the spot ETF came out. Okay. So we know that was approved. But I just want to show you where he says it does not really matter how Bitcoin correlates to gold, how it correlates to stocks or the economy or whatever. Right. You see what he says right here? What matters is how all those things correlate with Bitcoin. People are going to want this. They're going to want this. And by the time, you know, every mom and dad and uncle and aunt wake up, it's going to be so scarce. They're not going to be able to afford it. They're going to want it. You should already had some because you're here at my channel, right? So you should already had some. Okay, so just wanted to go over some of those things right there. Let's get into the chart. All righty. So let's get into the chart. So back around here, okay, left side of the screen, right? This was September, October time. September, October time. I was telling everybody, my family, hey, come on, wake up, wake up. This is the time. Let's get back in. Make sure you're in. Make sure, because this is going to lift off. This is what it does. Okay, so around here, let me just decrease my image here. Okay, so Bitcoin at this level, it was 26, 25, 28,000, okay? Around that time, I'm like, okay, we're about to lift off, okay? Because the signs were there. Okay, so then you see where we are now, right? Okay, so let's just move out some more here. Okay, this is us year to date, all right? Here we are on the year, okay? This is a daily image. Okay. And then let's just go to, this is what we need to look at. Okay. This is what we need to look at. This is where it's important. Okay. So back here, 2021, okay, we see how high it went, okay, 2021, okay, the last halving, the effects there. Okay, so now look where we're at. The tippy top, the tippy top. You see this candle, this red candle? Okay, you see the top here? So the top of that was like 68,997, so almost $69,000. Okay, almost 69,000 was the high for Bitcoin back at the last, the last cycle we were in. So right now, we're close. Okay, we surpassed the main bodies, like these, the green and red bodies of these candles. Yeah, we surpassed that. But we didn't top that little bitty wick that goes all the way up there. We didn't pass that. So by the time my video comes out, we probably would have been past it. Let's see, where are we at right now? Nope, not yet. Okay, but we'll probably, break it. So now the question is, what will it do? Once we get to that point, will it correct itself? Right? Because I mean, look at this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green soldiers running up. Whenever you run up a staircase, you have to take a break. So, and everybody, people unfamiliar, they're gonna be like, oh, look, see, I told you Bitcoin wasn't really working. Oh, look, it failed. That's because they're just coming in now, just waking up from the sleep for all the people who are already in. And now they want to get in. You're coming in at the high point, like the plane went straight up into the air. It has to level off, and then it has to take a break. So will it come down or will it keep going back up? Who knows? No one actually ever knows, okay? But one of the important things we all know is we're still in front of the halving date of April, okay? A lot of money is going to keep flowing in until then. Institutionals, people, not retail, like me and you, mom and pop, just regular people. We're called retail investors. Okay, we're flowing in, but institutional people, they're flowing in as well. So, what's going to happen here? We want to know that. Okay, we're at all-time highs. So, because when we look here, okay, this is the daily, right here when we were consolidating, at that time, I'm like, okay, are we going to break down or are we going to break up? We went up. So now, will we keep pushing? Whatever happens, you have to know when to do what, okay? You have to know, okay? Because we've only just begun, okay? It's only just begun. So let me know your Bitcoin predictions. What do you think, where we're going to go? Are we just going to fly through this now and keep running? Okay, what do you think? Up, down, okay? Put your comments below. Now, if you liked everything that I'm sharing here, please like and subscribe, okay? It helps build the channel and everything like that. And I want to leave you with this, okay? This quote here from Gandhi. The future depends on what we do in the present, okay? The future depends on what we do in the present. Gandhi, okay? All right. See you in my next video. Bye for now.